G'day, Craig here from White Magic. Thank you for purchasing the White Magic Spray Mop Ultimate Floor Cleaning Kit. Let me take you through how to assemble it and the best way to use it. So I've taken all the pieces out of the box. Let's assemble the handle first. So this is your mop head and handle, the bottom section. So we simply attach the second section, make sure the sprayer is facing forwards. Now this bit here is very simple. I'll get rid of the bottle to make it a bit easier. So down here, you simply press these two little noggins together and you slide them in until you hear a click. That's now in permanently and is not going to come out. Super strong connection. We then attach the middle section. Now, make sure that the little noggin, the little button comes through the hole. That way you've got a super strong connection. And do the same trick that way. See, I didn't quite get it, now I have. So it's now pressed in and you've got the handle ready to go. So let's deal with the water now. So this is your 580 ml water bottle and you just fill this up in the sink under running water. Warm water is good, that helps to dissolve the cleaning sheet, which I'm going to show you in a second a bit faster, but cold water is equally as good. So take off little nozzle, fill it up with some H2O. You can fill it up as much or as little as you want, depending on the cleaning job. Then go to your cleaning sheet box, take out half a cleaning sheet. So all you need is this much cleaning sheet, roll it into a little sausage and feed it through the mouth of the bottle until it falls into the water like so. Now, this is where the magic happens. Can you see, hopefully you can see, the cleaning sheet dissolving. It's dissolving in a matter of seconds. So all we do is we attach the lid, give it a good shake, and there is your cleaning solution ready to go. Antibacterial, lemon myrtle, strong eco cleaning solution ready to go. Then all you simply do is take the bottle, face it downwards and give it a push. It's now connected and the water is now going to be able to flow through to the sprayer. Now the big thing with spray mops is you don't want to use too much water. You just want to get the mop heads moist and then let the microfibers do the work. So don't spray every time you move the mop head. If your mop head is moist, the mop head has enough water to do the cleaning. Okay, so don't over wet the floor. Big thing with this though, is after every cleaning cycle, you have to empty and rinse this bottle out. You can't leave the cleaning agent in there overnight, next week, next month. If it's just water, fine, leave it in there for weeks or months at a time. But if you've used the cleaning sheets, make sure after every clean, you empty the water or use it entirely and then store it away. Okay, let's go through the mop heads. So the first mop head is the wet mop head. You get a blue one and you get a red one. Now, they're easily attachable. All you do is simply press them on. They've got these strong Velcro dots here and you just simply put them on, press them on, and they're nice and strong and they're ready to go. This is for any hard, smooth floor for wet messes all over the home. We advise the blue one is best for general cleaning, which is basically every cleaning except for the toilet, and the red one is for the toilet. It's simply to avoid cross-contamination of bringing germs from your toilet through to other areas of the house. Machine washable hundreds of times, just remove and throw into a laundry bag in a hot water wash with our amazing laundry sheets to give it a full clean. You can put them in the dryer. Air drying is also good. Don't forget, you also get a cleaning comb. The cleaning comb basically clips onto the handle here, so it's easy, it's always within easy reach. These little bristles here are great for removing sticky residue on the floor, help to loosen them up so the mop head can get them. And the cleaning comb is great for removing debris from the mop head during use, okay? So just store your cleaning comb like that. Now, for your drying head, you just simply take off your wet head, attach your drying head like so. Now remember, the drying head is, as the name suggests, does not require any water. So we're not going to be doing any spraying when we move this over the floor. This simply will use electrostatic energy to attract and hold hair, dust, debris, sand, and then you remove it. You can give it a shake outside to get rid of some debris, or if it's really dirty, machine wash, laundry bag, hot water wash to get it back to its full function. Now, finally, the White Magic eraser head. Again, goes on very easily, just with Velcro. So you've now got the White Magic sponge, which is for a deep clean of any hard, smooth floor, tile, timber, laminate. Now remember, the White Magic fibers are 10,000 times finer than a human hair. So they're able to get into the surface grooves of your floor to give it a restorative clean, to basically get it back to its original condition. Now, this is the test is how abrasive your floor is. So if your floor has some abrasion or like non-slip, you need to put more water on the floor to reduce the friction. Otherwise, the White Magic sponge will catch a bit. If your floor is really smooth, then you use less water and the White Magic sponge can clean because there's less friction on your floor originally. So just have a play with it, and more water for rougher floors, less water for smooth floors. And again, remember, the White Magic sponge works all the way back to the blue. So when the white sponge is gone, that means the pad can be thrown away. Otherwise, keep using it until it gets all the way back to the blue sponge. Okay, that takes you through how to use the White Magic Spray Mop Complete Floor Cleaning Kit. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at White Magic HQ. But thanks for your purchase, and hope you enjoy the product.